Hello traders, welcome back to another episode of Forex. In today's video, we're going to break down one of the most important concepts every trader must understand: market sessions and how they influence price movement. Although there are many financial centers around the world like Frankfurt, Hong Kong, and Singapore, we categorize the market into four main sessions: Sydney session, Tokyo session, London session, and New York session, because they control the majority of global liquidity and trading volume. In today's topic, we will cover the exact time each market session opens and closes, the currency pairs that are most suitable for each session, the characteristics of each session and how price behaves, and lastly, the powerful session overlaps and why they create the biggest moves in the market. So stay tuned till the end and don't forget to subscribe. See you after the intro. The first session is the Sydney session, or the Australia session. The Sydney session opens at 10 p.m. and closes at 7 a.m. The most recommended currency pairs during this session are those involving the Australian dollar and the New Zealand dollar, since these are the key currencies active at this time. This session is ideal for beginners or traders who prefer a calmer market. Volatility is low, trading volume is smaller, and price movements are usually slow and controlled. Because of this, it's a great time to practice strategies without heavy pressure from fast price swings. The second session is the Tokyo session, also known as the Asian session. The Tokyo session opens at 1 a.m. and closes at 10 a.m. The most recommended pairs during this session are those involving the Japanese yen. Market activity here is medium, meaning volatility is slightly higher than Sydney, but still calmer compared to the London and New York sessions. This session often produces clean, structured price action, making it suitable for range trading and disciplined setups. The third session is the London session, also known as the European session. The London session opens at 8 a.m. and closes at 5 p.m. It opens 1 hour before the Tokyo session closes. This is one of the most important Forex sessions. The best currency pairs during this session involve Euro, GBP, and USD. Activity levels during the London session are high, meaning volatility and liquidity are high because London is a major global financial hub. Many institutional traders enter the market here, which leads to strong trends, real breakouts, and large price movements. Lastly, we have the New York session, also known as the American session. The New York session opens at 1 p.m. and closes at 10 p.m. The most recommended pairs during this session involve USD, CAD, EUR, and GBP. This session is also very active, especially because major economic news releases often happen here. Big moves are common, and volatility stays high, especially during the overlap with London. A session overlap happens when two major trading sessions are open at the same time. This is when liquidity and volatility increase, creating better trading opportunities. Sydney-Tokyo overlap. This overlap occurs from 1 a.m. to 7 a.m. During this time, the market slowly gains momentum. Liquidity improves compared to Sydney alone, but price action remains smooth and controlled. The best pairs here involve JPY, AUD, and NZD. This overlap is calm and structured, making it perfect for beginners who want to understand market behavior and practice range trading. Tokyo-London overlap. This overlap occurs from 9 a.m. GMT to 10 a.m. This is a transition phase between Asia and Europe. You may see quick moves and fake breakouts as the market shifts, but momentum is not always reliable. Caution is important during this time. London-New York overlap. This overlap occurs from 1 p.m. GMT to 5 p.m. GMT. This is the most important overlap in Forex trading. During this period, we see maximum volume and liquidity, strong and decisive price action, real breakouts and clear trends, high institutional participation, tighter spreads. This overlap is ideal for day trading, scalping, breakout strategies, and trend trading. Price action is powerful, clean, and directional, which is why many traders consider this the best time to trade Forex. Before you start trading, always check which time zone you're in. This is very important because Forex session times are usually shown in GMT, but you may also see them displayed in other time zones such as UTC, EST, or broker server time. GMT and UTC are almost the same and are often used interchangeably. What's important is not the label, but making sure you convert the session times correctly to your local time, so you always know exactly when the market is active. That's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any of our future content.